Hello, right. Maker Advent, day 20. There has been a slight change plan today. Didn't get any work done on the star. I need to do some work on that pretty sharpish. Get it done so you can see the video. There's a lot of video for that one. I think I recorded about 20 minutes. I need to chop down in something like 5 or 6. Fingers crossed I can get it done. Okay, what have I done instead? Well, I've been to Asda, to Home Bargains, to get all the stuff in for Christmas. So we don't have to go out again until New Year, full stop. Popped in, got some cable ties to tidy that up. The garden twine, the wire, that green wire stuff. Yeah, it works, but it's a bit messy. £1 for all these cable ties. Should be plenty. If not, I can make do. That's the size I really want, the small ones. But I can make do with those. Anyway, interesting things. A social media, let's try and get this all in shot because it's quite a big box. A social media ring light. Am I going to become a social media star? No. Not with my face. No. Not a chance. It's a light ring that goes around your phone. Can I get this in shot a bit better? There we go. It goes around your phone on a tripod and it lights you up to give the best light. And I thought, hang on. I wonder, could I use it for this? No, not pointing at you. Or you. Or you. No, the camera. If there's a light ring around it, will it give me better light? What might I find out? Plug it in, see what happens. Right now, to light up my desk, I've got 2 lights just here, and they're used for general purpose lighting and also for doing shots like this. Hello. But this might be a bit better for the overhead work with the camera. We're going to find out. In other news, the final banana Mark III. This is the banana that's going to lead us all the way up to Christmas Eve. Okay, let's open this. What's in the box? We have USB, light ring, a tripod, a gooseneck to hold the phone, controls in line, USB power, let's see, light diameter 10 inches, 26 centimeters, 120 non-replaceable LED bulbs, 3 colour modes, warm white, white or bright white, adjustable brightness, 2 meter cable length, input power 5 volts, 1 amp, so it's 5 watt, output 5 volts at 0.5 amp, so 2.5 watt. Okay, this was £9 from Home Bargains. There's a bigger one as well, £20, which is floor standing. Don't need that. Right, so let's open it up. There we go. Put that away. Gently pull this out of the box. Well, there's the tripod attachment. Okay, it looks like it is a standard 3/4 fit, which is really handy because the rig I'm using up here is a telescopic, like an armature, that's the word I'm looking for, that I can position in any way I want. And the lights also use that as well. Nice. Alright, let's get this out. That is indeed a light ring, and it has got inline controls and USB. I'm going to put it to one side for 1 second so I can pull the rest of the stuff out. Okay, phone gooseneck. The other end is... oh, that could come in really handy actually. So it's like a ball joint, and you can screw that into your tripod and into the light ring, and that's all in the box. Okay, that's quite a nice heavy duty fitting. Let's try and keep it in shot, Les. This will slacken off, meaning I can move it around, position, and then lock in place. Not bad for £9. The tripod is actually quite sturdy. Yeah, that's all right. I've got quite a few of these tripods already actually. Alright, let's plug in the ring light. Let's find out where the USB end is. There it is. Let's undo these twist ties. And let's just gently move the star out of the way. Let's plug in. Mind your eyes. Well, that works. So that's like a warm white. That's white. And that's warm white and white. And I can just change the brightness by pressing this button here. Wow, that is bright. Alright, I'm going to plug in my USB tester. A Unity UT658. And measure how much current we have at full white intensity. .17 volts. Right now there's no current being pulled. Press the button. Well, that's interesting. 5.07 volts at 2.69 amp. I'm checking I'm reading this right. 2.7 amps. Wow, that's a lot. Change it for a warm white. 1.87. Bright white 1.8, and then back up to full beans. 2.7 amps. Wow. This won't last long on a battery, will it? Let's just make it a bit dimmer. Oh, it goes down to 0.4 amp. 0.35, 0.2. That's as low as it goes. 0.5, 0.8, 0.85, an amp. 1.5. Yeah, and it just, yeah. Okay, that is bright. So now for the rest of this video, I am going to install this there, wavy hands, as we dissolve into the next segment. This has been set up. This is the light above, the ring light. See, I can put these lights on. Lots of light. I can play around with the settings. Oh yeah, it's a bit wobbly. Nice warm white. Blue light, I'm not keen on that. Makes everything look like it's dead. That's a good compromise. That's 2.8 volts. Amps, that's what I'm looking for. Tame it down a little bit. That's the lowest setting for that one. But yeah, really bright. Really, I quite like it. The only problem is, it's massive, this light ring. I need to take a photograph of the light ring so you can see how big it all is. I'll find a way, I'll do it. I'll put it in the video now. Downsides, I cannot see a thing. As in, I cannot see where I am in the shot. I know I'm on the shot, but the arm that comes up around the camera obliterates what I can see, which isn't great. So I've got to rely on like cue points. I'm going to look for where the center is. It's roughly, it's there from what I can see, just to the left of the circle. So is it any good? £9. Yeah, I'm happy. It's got good light levels. I can show details off on boards. There isn't a shadow cast everywhere, really. It sort of obliterates itself. It's just a case of I need to work out of a mechanism to hold it all nice and neat. But yeah, good experiment. £9. Not bad. What's that in dollars? About $15? Not bad at all. That's all for now. Cheers.